Well, good morning there, YouTube, and welcome to Wednesday, the 11th of January. Needless to say, we're staying home today. We got wiped out with snow, and it's still pouring, and will be pouring for quite some time. So we were crying about all the white being gone. She's not gone anymore. Well, as you can see, the snow, Leo's freaking out. The snow is deep. Wow. This is awesome. Oh, look at that. The sun's even trying to come out up there. Madison. What do you think, huh? This snow fun? Huh? Is that fun? That's lots of fun, isn't it? I come out and Trouble was just barrel rolling over there behind the shed. What do you think, Trouble, huh? Cool stuff out here, huh? So it's measuring about 6.5 inches out here, which that ain't bad, considering originally we weren't supposed to get any snow. There was this light little chance we might get 1 or 2 inches night before last, and it ended up warming up and melting everything instead. I don't know if the camera picked that up. It's about 17 centimeters for you metric folks out there. The old guinea fowl out here. It's cool, the snow collects on the top up here. And it stops, it limits the amount of snow inside the cage, so they can still roam around. Of course, they got their great big old hen house there. The girls out there never stop playing. So overnight, the charger charged the battery to full capacity, and the ZFE turned the charger off. But now I went through the right sequence of putting the charger on it. When it sits here and drops, it should come back on, which it was not doing before because I didn't have it hooked up correctly. What I find amazing is it doesn't tell you to do that in the manual. So just a quick briefing on how you do it. You turn the key on, and without the charger plugged into the wall, you plug it into the power port, and you'll see all the lights light up because now the bike is trying to power the the charger. Then you plug the charger in, then you turn the key off, and then the battery charger goes in. I think what it's doing is just basically telling the system that it's not just being a power port, it is now being a back flush charging port. I know they do this with these things, but it's weird they don't give you any instructions. The other thing too is when you're using the official BMW charger like you're supposed to, you probably don't have those issues. But anyway, 13 plus volts, that's perfect. One of the coolest things about the snow is the just unbelievable silence. No cars going up and down the highway. It's just silent. Man, I love it when it snows. That sun's still trying to peek out up there. Have a seat. Get comfortable. Those chairs out there too, all packed with snow. Man, I come walking around and there's a quail or a pheasant sitting there on the edge of the barn. That thing took off and scared the holy crap out of me. Good Lord, I think they're loud when you spook them like that. Sure is odd. When I drove home last night, I thought that was going to be the end of the snow. Man, that's so beautiful. Our son Ryan's come to the rescue to take his mom to the store. I'm going to ride along with. Oh, hell yeah. It's nice and frosty out here. It'll knock the snow out of the trees. This thing's up in the air high enough. Wow, that's cool. Wow, it's gorgeous out here. The old boat ramp. Won't ride that GS down that. It's like climbing a mountain getting in this thing, boy. Got a tow truck service in there too. Kelly said they're crazy with people calling in. I'm in the ditch. I've crashed.
That's why I see normally I carry it out, but I think the guy on the phone.
The old county park out there.
And I remember I almost rode the old white cow like half a mile down.
Really?
Oh yeah.
From here down the road?
Yeah, I hydroplaned. My rear end's was locked up in my white cow.
Oh, and she just
bucked completely sideways.
That's not the funniest thing ever. I remember you telling me when you go down the freeway and the reverse lockout.
Yeah.
That wasn't there, and it went in reverse going down the freeway. Look, they don't know what to think. Ryan done tore up our driveway. Told him not to mess with it. He's kicking it all back. What's with that thing?
I don't know, it's free.
Oh. Random motorcycles. Well, hello there, YouTube. From our snowy backyard out here, we decided to do the goodbye vlog outside tonight. Do something a little different. That snow is really cold on my feet, I gotta say.
I know, it's going right through the boots.
It's coming right through these boots, yeah. But, I guess the storm hit. We didn't get it as bad as Vancouver. I guess Vancouver got wiped out. They got probably 2 or 3 inches more than us.
Yeah.
And, yeah, wow, bang. How do you like that? God, it's so beautiful out here, though.
Oh, it is. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, the store didn't open. Initially, there was we're going to open at 11, and then it was canceled. They just closed. All the freeways in the Portland area, even later today, were just at a standstill. They were that way that last night as well, because the storm definitely hit them first. And it wasn't, man, I don't know, it was probably about midnight that it really started to collect. And you just can't go by what the weather says always.
Yeah.
Because it looked like the snow was going to stop pretty soon, and I figured we'd have 2 or 3 inches. Didn't expect 6.5, 7 inches out here.
Yeah, and it didn't stop till after 7.
Yeah, it kept going. So I don't know. I didn't remeasure because it kept snowing long after I was doing those videos earlier today. Because that was quite a bit earlier. And then Ryan, it was still snowing when Ryan showed up here, and that was what, about 2 maybe?
Yeah.
So, and it didn't stop until about an hour ago. And it's a little bit after 9 now. Well, maybe it stopped a couple hours ago.
Yeah, something like that.
But yeah, everything the weather predicted for our area up here, they were saying 1 to 2 inches overnight. And then, yeah, it just wiped everything.
Kind of kept going.
Yeah, it just kept on trucking. Looking at that storm yesterday at work on that app, I'm going, this is going to be worse than what they're thinking. And it did, it turned out. I thought all the dogs were inside with us.
Except for Madison. She came out with me.
Crazy old Madison. We're just in our... we're in our cash wear. But, yeah, that's pretty much all we had today. It was just a snow day. A cold snow day.
Yeah.
It's supposed to get down in the teens, and it's supposed to... I don't think it's supposed to reach over freezing for the next several days, so... It'll be around for a while.
Mm-hmm. The dogs will have fun.
Oh, yeah. Dogs absolutely love the snow.
Yeah.
Because they've got some Siberian Husky in them. from
They
our...
love rolling in the snow.
Oh yeah, they love it, and they play and just crazy. Leo, he's absolutely, this is his element for sure.
Oh, I know it. He just runs back and forth and rolls around and just lays there.
He was asleep on his bed in there, and so we snuck out because we'd have to have him on the leash. He wants to come out and play nonstop.
And if you try to make him stay, he just cries.
Yeah, just cries and yelps something fierce. But anyway, Mama, my feet are absolutely freezing.
Yeah.
And my hand's starting to shake holding the camera here because my hand's cold.
I'm really cold. All right. Thank you guys very, very much for watching. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Give her a thumbs up if you like her. You guys have a wonderful day tomorrow. Hope everybody stays warm and
heck
safe.
Yeah. And you guys in the storm, I hope you're being careful.
Yeah.
If you have to go out, do be careful. Our son called and said he went to Longview for something and says, hey, I'm coming through. He goes, anything you need? And Kelly goes, yeah.
So he swung by and snagged us.
Yeah. I decided to go along. He's just going to take his mom, but I went with him.
No, it was good.
Explore, see what it's like. See what it's like to sit in the passenger seat for once.
For once, yeah. Because you're always driving.
Yeah. All right, guys and gals. Thank you guys very much. Sorry it was just a snow day thing today, but that's how our day went. Our daily vlog, our day was snow.
Yes, it was.
All right. We'll talk to you guys in the morning. I would imagine we're going to attempt to go to work. We'll see if they're going to open up at a normal time or what they're going to do.
Yeah.
We'll just play it out tomorrow, see what it's like. Because all this is supposed to, like, deep freeze now, so who knows what's going to happen. All right.
All right.
Until tomorrow.
You guys take care.
You guys take care. Take care of each other.
Yes.
Be happy. Walter came up with a little thing here, a suggestion.
I know it. I
for
think that's
for
a
this
really
summer.
cool idea.
We'll ponder over that a little bit, and we'll talk to you more about that. And we'll see what happens.
Yeah. You paused.
The awkward pause.
I know.
Because it just came over me that we already said goodbye, and I'm going on. All right, so we are going to go now. All right. We'll see you.
Bye,
Thank you guys very
everybody.
much. Bye-bye.
You mountain, look at
It is some beautiful snow out here. I know, she goes, that's that husky in me. I can just hang out in the snow forever. Those Christmas lights actually look good now. The Christmas is long, long over.
I know it. I got it taken.
Good night, everybody.